My name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. If you watched my previous trick tutorial, you will have learned to do a 3-ball fancy start. We looked at how to do it where we caught 2 balls out of the air into the juggling cascade. Then we also looked at it how we would catch 1 ball out of the air into the juggling cascade. Now, let's look at turning that into an even fancier start. We stand with our feet shoulder width apart. We step forward slightly and turn to the side. The balls are thrown here behind the back. But if you look closely, you will see that the balls are more or less being thrown in the same place as they were when we were facing the front. The only thing that has changed is the position of my body. It looks like this, face on. It looks like this behind my back. Let's look at that again. Face on. Behind my back. Now, in this instance, with this particular trick, I choose to snatch 1 ball out because I think it looks better to have the 2 balls hanging in the air when I do the behind the back. The choice is yours. You could still snatch 2 balls out. I personally choose to snatch 1 ball out. Have a practice, see how you get on with that. It's a great trick. It will make your juggling routine look very professional, very slick. My name is Martin Moore. This has been a juggling tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what tricks you would like to learn and I'll see if I can teach them. Come back, see me again. Good luck and good juggling.